Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you on how, introduction and on how to open up Microsoft Excel on your PC or computer. So first of all, and how to use it. So first of all, you can come on your PC and you can right click, you come on new, and then you come on Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this is it. So you can name it anything, but for me I don't want to name it, and then you can double tap to open. So it will automatically have to open. So as you see, this is our Microsoft worksheet. So on this worksheet you can do various activities, anything you like. You can make a report, you can even make a list of items, anything you would like to make. So as you all see, Microsoft Excel, it has letters A, B, C, D, E until maybe to Z. So you can all see we have the formula bar. So this formula bar contains each and everything. It contains the functions. You can use it to get the total of something, as I already showed you in my previous videos. Then we have and then here you can type in and everything you want. Maybe let me say, for example, you want to type the name, you can type names of people. In case you want it to be organized, you can maybe come here and you write, you say, maybe you start it from B, you say maybe name. So you can even come here and you say maybe you press number 1. So you press anything you would wish. You can maybe say Joshua. Maybe you come and say number 2, Rodin. So you can here put maybe you say maybe Max. Say maybe Joshua. In a presentation he had a 90, so maybe Rodin had a 85. Maybe Rodin had a 85. So you can continue and maybe you say maybe previous test. Maybe you can say previous marks. Here you can come and say maybe this one had a 75, maybe this one had a 6, maybe this one had a 80. So as you all see, so here maybe you can say we want the total. We want to get the total for the total marks and the previous marks. These ones, maybe let's say this one is the current one. You can come here and say the total. So the total will be getting the sum. So I remember in the previous videos I showed how to get the sums. You can come here. Remember I told you begin with an equal sign, which is equals. Then you can put in, this one is C2. So you come and you say maybe C2 shift plus, maybe you say this one is D2. So this one will be a D2. Press enter and it will automatically come. And maybe here it is a C3. So maybe it begin with equals. You say maybe C3 shift plus, then you say D3. Maybe D3. D3. You press enter. So you see it is saying false because there is a mistake which has been made. So here you shall go back and maybe press backspace, and maybe you come here again, you press the equal sign, and maybe you come here and you say D3 Shift plus, and maybe you say C3, press enter, so it will automatically come. It's showing you that they have the same the same total. So that's how we use the Excel, and maybe it has also other many things you can talk about. You can talk about the percentage of students. You can talk about, you can make maybe a budget using Microsoft Excel. You can even do other various stuff. So now here you can also see all these ones as we have studied them in Microsoft Word document. You can also come here and maybe, as you see, you come maybe and put something. You say maybe like this one. Maybe you want to increase the size, as you see, to go on increasing. You all see. So when you put like 72, it will be very bold. Maybe you want it at 18. You see. Even this one maybe it's also be at 18. You can come and say maybe this one, the total, let it be at 22, like that. You see, it will go on increasing. It has various and interesting stuff, and maybe you want the titles to be broad. Maybe here you come on previous marks, you can come here and you can broaden them. You see, maybe it's 16, so you can all see. Maybe you can bold them. You can come here. This is the font. Get the font which you like. Maybe you want this one, Algerian. You click on it. Maybe you want that. You see the way the font has changed to Algerian. So it has many things. Even after, you can see there is insert. We have each and everything. Maybe here. And maybe after doing all your work, all the work you need, it's not so different from the Microsoft Word document, and I think I presented that one. So after maybe doing your work, you can come to file. There is also, by the way, before saving, we have also insert. It has each and everything. You can design your work in each and every type you want. We have the drawing. You can even come and draw some here. This one is erasing, grabbing. Maybe you can come and draw something here. Maybe use color blue. You can maybe come and shade, but maybe even we have the eraser. You can come and erase again. You see, so it has many stuff. You can design, you can make cartoons, each and everything. Then after, you can come to our file. You go to save as, and you say this PC. Maybe you can save it in each and everything you want. Maybe you can come here and you type in maybe Microsoft Word, then you press save, anything you want, so it will be saved. When you try to check your documents, it will be able to be there. Let's check, maybe come in documents. You see, it is here now. So we shall be able to recover all our work after saving. Remember, don't forget saving after doing your work. So thank you very much. I remain Singoma Triumph. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more. God bless you.